Hi, my name is DC Conley, Global Educator for Andis. Today I'm going to show you how to do a tapered afro step by step. If your clipper cutting is fundamental, this video is exactly what you need to help you take your skills to the next level and have you cutting with confidence. Now let's create together. Step 1 consists of assessing your client's needs. Using a large comb, preferably an Afro pick, lift or stretch the hair to its natural length. Naturally curly hair tends to revert or rather shrink slightly when relaxed. We will be using this comb throughout the cut, visualizing the entire head in at least 4 sections. We will use a smaller barber or taper style comb for the tapered areas as well as for detailing. Now that you've completed step 1, assessing the client's needs, let's move on to step 2. Step 2, establishing the guideline. We will create an initial baseline using an adjustable clipper in the closed position at the nape of the neck and temple area. After establishing the initial guideline, we will immediately create the second guideline by opening the clipper blade to its full open position. Cut at a slight angle to ensure we do not remove too much hair from our detail line. We'll need that later. Step 2, establishing the guideline, is complete. Step 3, taper using attachment combs. The length of hair will help you determine which comb attachments you will use in blending the longer interior portions to the shorter taper lengths. Beginning with the larger comb attachments to the shortest is the best way to remove bulk without disturbing the shape, making sure your cutting experience is much more enjoyable. We will use the clipper in the C-cut motion, remaining mindful of the shape we're expecting to achieve by leading with the clipper head attachments. In one complete motion, ending with the heel of the clipper in the position we started this step. This will be repeated throughout the lower levels of the interior to connect the taper and the longer portions. Step 3, tapering is complete. Step 4, now it's time to create the shape of the afro. This step, depending on texture, should be done using the freehand method, using no attachment combs. Take your time gliding along the hair in small sections at a time. If available, use a mirror periodically to check your progress. Also, wearing light colored clothes will help you to see the shape much easier rather than dark. Step 4, creating the shape of the afro is complete. Step 5, cleaning up the hairline, also known as the perimeter. I'll be using a trimmer to detail the perimeter. I'm using the entire flat blade for my straight lines and using the corners of my blade for the curves over the ear. Step 5, cleaning up the hairline is complete. Step 6, we're going to style the hair and wear it. Step 6, styling the hair is complete. There you have it. In just a few steps, you too could create a tapered afro style. Now, if you don't have the tools that I use in this video, go on over to andis.com or visit your local retailer. They got you covered. With Andis, we make it easy to take your DIY cutting to the next level. Thank you for joining us.